Welcome back to my channel. इतने वहम है हम लोगों को, I cannot even explain it. There are so many superstitions. There's probably no reason for us to be scared of certain things, but just because we've seen others do it, we do it. So I thought, why not talk about it today? Let's jump right into it. So the first one that I want to talk about is, by mistake you bump your head with somebody else's and the next thing you say is, hey, do it again, एक बार और मार. अरे भाई क्यों? सींग उग जाएंगे. Or imagine you have a dog. I have a dog. He is a black German Shepherd. The thing we say is, if you bump your head once and you don't do it the second time, आपको black dog काट जाएगा. Picture this. Your dog is having a juicy piece of chicken. If you're a vegetarian, he's having a vegetarian meal. Do not be offended by the chicken. He's eating that and he suddenly hears or happens to see you bump your head with another person's head. Is he under any circumstance going to leave that leg piece and come running to bite you? Why would he, just because you bumped your head with someone? And oh, imagine this. You bump your head with somebody else's. He starts running towards you to bite you. The next thing he sees is, oh, you bumped it again. And then he turns back and goes continuing his leg pace. What the hell? I mean, what logic is that? Number 2. I personally relate to this one because I've done it innumerable times. Wapas up ja. Khush? Yeah, well, for all of us not so tall people out there, this one did give us this much hope that शायद अगर ये वापस टप जाए तो हम लंबे हो जाएंगे. Although it wasn't happening, we just did want to make ourselves feel better. The third one. You're going somewhere and you suddenly feel thirsty. What is the big deal if you drink water? Every time I'm going out and I have a sip of water, my mom's like, बैठ के जा, बैठ टांगे उठा फिर जा. On the contrary, when I said this exact thing to some of my friends, they said to drink an entire glass of water before they leave because it's good luck. Oh my god. Which one do you guys follow? Do you drink water before you leave or do you avoid drinking water before you leave? Or are you somebody who does not believe in either one of these? Do comment down below. I would love to know what you think. The next one. एक बात बताओ, टचवुड करने से क्या मिलता है? I of all people in the world should not be bringing up this point only because trust me when I say this, एक दिन में 6 लाख बार अगर कोई टचवुड करता है तो वो मैं हूँ. My mind will come up with something absolutely negative. I'm sitting on the couch, scrolling through my phone, my brain is working, overthinking the way it usually does, and I'll think of something so wrong, and then I'll be like, touchwood, अब नहीं होगा. ये क्या logic है? And the weirdest thing we all did as kids was, we're sitting somewhere with friends and we happen to say something and they're like, wait, touch wood. अब wood नहीं है आसपास. You'll touch your own head or you'll touch a friend's head. ले हो गई touch wood. क्या है ये और ये क्यों है? I mean, are you kidding me? If a bird happens to be flying and it takes a dump and that dump lands on you, it's supposed to be good luck, is it? Because think about it, if that were the case, won't we all be standing under trees perpetually waiting for birds to take dump on us so that good luck can come our way? And the same goes for lizards. If a lizard happened to slip by chance, if its stickiness did not work and it fell on you, it just fell. The poor thing is going to have to climb all the way back up where it fell from. It's just chance. This next one that I want to talk about is something that we have all done and I am so sure about it. If there's any one of you who has not done it, I'm sure you'll be able to relate to it. Sometimes we're in such a rush to get on the bed that we just don't care how we throw our slippers away, right? If one of them lands ulta, it's supposed to mean that somebody is going to have a fight. I literally remember this one time that my parents had a small argument and I was a kid and I had heard this so much that I went up to my mom and I apologized that okay, it's my fault that you guys ended up having an argument because मेरी चप्पल उल्टी पड़ी थी and I was too lazy to, you know, flip it and make them both straight, if that makes sense. ए, जाने से पहले छींक क्यों मारती? चाबियों से मत खेलो, कैंची को रख दे, पैर मत हिला. Superstitions are one thing. On the other hand, we have OCDs. Can we like just take a quick minute to talk about those also? I'm just gonna sum them up real quick. 1. Did I lock the damn door? I mean, before shooting this video, I just wanted to bolt my door so that I can just focus and, you know, I checked 100 times. I was like, lock hai ki nahi? Kiya hai lock? I remember it. My sister sitting here and she's screaming, kar diya tha lock. But no, I have to check it again. Number 2, if I'm at the market or if I'm at the mall, I will just not be able to peace with the fact that I pressed that lock button of the car once and it's locked. No, I will keep pressing that button, hearing that lock sound till the time the car is no longer in the range to be locked from a distance. Number 3 is, again, I've already spoken to you about this in this video, my obsession with touching wood. Not that it gives me any sort of satisfaction after having done it. I just do it anyway. God knows why. In fact, why just touch wood? Some of us have these weird habits. We'll blink in a certain way, or I have this older cousin brother once. He would just bang his fist on the damn wall for no reason. Like, we're sitting, we're having a conversation, and he'll go boom. And I'll be like, what the hell was that? And he'll give me this weird laugh as if I did not know what was happening, because trust me, we're all in the same boat, bro. The next one is, if it happened on the left, I gotta do it on the right. Is it just me, or does it happen to you too? If you do something with your right hand, you've gotta do it with your left. Or if I just itched my right cheek, I will do it on the left, just to equalize it, just to create a balance. My left cheek is not even itchy. My right was. Now I pushed my hair back from this side. I will do it on this side. Why? Number 5. If we have siblings, we all do this. You hit me, I hit you. I think there's nothing more to say about this one. That's it for this one, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down below what you would like to see me do next. I am thinking of making a video about pet peeves, so if there's anything that irritates the hell out of you, please do comment below. I will make sure I mention it in my next video. I post videos every Monday and Thursday. See you next time. The thing we slightest did kabhi hamari chappal. Superstitious is I'll be standing in the mirror. Wait, whoa. My disorder. Okay, no. Is it funny?